What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and Justin Bieber just posted these pictures on his Instagram account. To me, they look like real Polaroid pictures, so this is something for me. You requested this a lot, and today I want to show you how to recreate these looks, these Polaroid looks inspired by Justin Bieber, and how you can make your pictures look just like this using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. As always, of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look for you guys. If you want to save some time, you can download it. The link is under this video and it's on my website. It's in that all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically added to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get a growing pack, which is a great deal. So make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell. And if there's anything you need from me, or you have questions or ideas for new videos, new looks that I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. Now I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app. So we're going to open the app right here. I've chosen this picture here of Justin Bieber and Haley. And the first thing you want to do, of course, is if you take your picture, make sure to take it with the flash on at night or in a dark scenery. This is a little different here, but we're going to make it work as well. So the first thing you do is go to curve in the lights tab here on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. Once you have this, recreate it right here. Really take your time and get as close to this curve as you can. Once you have this, we're done here. We want to boost up the exposure a little bit to plus 0.54 right here, and the contrast, we want to boost that up to plus 29. Pull down the highlights to -44, and pull down the shadows as well to -12, and pull down the whites to -10 right here, and the blacks all the way down to -37 or 36. Then we go over to the colors tab here. What we do is pull down the temperature just a little bit to -2. The vibrance, we want to boost that up to plus 17 or 16, and the saturation, pull that down all the way to -46 right here. Now we want to bring the skin tones back, so we scroll up, hit mix on the upper right side, and for the red tones, we want to boost the saturation to around plus 22. Go over to the orange tones, pull up the hue to around plus 23 to give the skin that yellow greenish tone. Then the saturation again up a little bit to around plus 12. And we go over to the yellow tones here. We pull down the saturation to -41 right there. And we're not going to do anything for the green or aqua tones, but the blue tones in this case, we want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -45, just to get the blue out of the clothing that he's wearing here. And once we have this, we're done. Now the next thing we do is go to grading here, and now for the shadows, choose a hue of around 154, that green, almost blue area, and the saturation up to around 15 or 16 to give those shadows that green tint. And then here for the midtones, 46 for the hue, and the saturation up a little bit to around 8 right there. And we go over to the highlights, hue all the way up to 297, and the saturation again up to around 12. Then we're done here. And the last thing we do is go over to the effects. We want to pull down the clarity a little bit to -14, boost up the dehaze to plus 27, and now we want to create a vignette right there, a dark one, so we pull that down to -17. And then the last thing we do is boost up the grain all the way to 44 to give it that grainy structure, and we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that Polaroid look in terms of the colors. Once again, I've created a preset on exactly this look, linked under this video. It's on my website. You can download it from the all presets pack with over 200 other presets in that pack. And the cool thing about it is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically added to that all presets pack. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, if you want to add that frame, that Polaroid frame, I've also created a frame pack for you that also include that Polaroid frame. I'll link a video right here in the description that will show you exactly how to create that frame and how to download it from my website. So enjoy that if you want to make it look even more realistic, even more Polaroid. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything you need from me, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. Now, thank you so much for, once again, the love, the support, and for watching this video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.